Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to trim or cut your already uploaded YouTube video. Also do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. For this, go to YouTube Studio and click on videos. Select the video which you want to trim or cut. So I will have uploaded this video again and kept it on private mode. Now once you click on the video, you can see all these options over here. Go to editor, and now you can see these multiple options: trim and cut, blur, audio, and screen. You'll click on trim and cut. What this does is it allows you to select the video which you want to keep, right? So if I want to cut this audio, so whatever is in white will remain and whatever is in red will get trimmed or cut, right? So I'm keeping this section. You can play it over here. Whatever is appearing, it will play from over here, right? You can select this. You can do multiple cuts as well. But first I will do a single cut and I will show you. So I will select this video. I want to cut out this initial part, right? This part I'm cutting out and I will ensure that it appears from over here, right? So this is the screen. So once I click on save, now it is showing the adjusted video to new length, right? 5 minutes 12 seconds, and it might take some minutes towards, for it depends on the video and the video quality for which it will take. And once I click on this confirm changes, now video will start processing to cut the video. It will take some time for this till the complete video is cut and updated. And you can see over here it is showing now 10 minutes left. It might take more than that, but it takes YouTube to convert it in SD, HD, and 4K format, all the versions. Now you can see it has got updated. It did not take 10 minutes, but sometimes it might take time. So now you can see the start of the video is from the screen itself. The initial part of 14-15 seconds has been cut and it's directly starting from this, right? So this is the way you can trim or cut any existing YouTube video which has been uploaded. And you can do this multiple cuts. Even after this, you can go again and initiate any other cut you want to do. I hope this was useful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section. And do like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't.